Hey, my name is James and I'm the front of house sound engineer and tour manager for the band while she sleeps on this arena tour with Parkway Drive. I do front of house sound, which is the sound that you as an audience will hear during the gig. Typical day for me in the sound side of this job is we load in at 1 o'clock every day, and the first thing I do is push my desk into place, get this rack and my desk in, get all the cables in the back, and then once that's ready to go, I go and help Lewis, get all the microphones out, make sure the monitor desk is all set up, and get all the microphones on the drum kit, get all the cabling in that we can while Parkway Drive is still sound checking. And then when they give us all clear, we go on stage, get all of our stuff plugged in and start our sound check. This is a Alan Heath D-Live C1500. It's my first tour on this console with this band. It's been pretty fun, to be fair. How many channels is it? Like 50 channels? 44 channels to make the band nice and loud. All comes down to this page where I can mix everything in one nice little neat section, and that runs down into this little guy, and this just makes stuff loud. And then I've got my laptop down here as well that records every single show, and then I've got these lovely headphones. Look at these. But the most important bit of this setup
Two lonely beers.
2 beers for the show. But yeah, that's my front of house setup. If you've got any questions, let me know down there.